Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Any question? Okay, everybody okay? First person Amha Chatuthi Bhakti. We already explained Patama, Dutiya, Tatiya, Karana. Remember? No, remember. Okay. This is a Patama. The nominative case, the ahang singular, plural mayang amhe. Now remember, ahang singular, the plural mayang amhe. According to the ahang, pachami, I cook. Already write down, no? I cook. Ahang pachami. Mayang pacham, we cook. Ahang tsunami, I hear. Mayang tsunami. Ahang tapemi. Mayang tapeme. Ahang tapayami. Mayang tapayama. Remember, no? Okay. Now accusative, tutiya. Mang, mamang, the singular. Plural, amhe, amhakang, no. Again singular, mang, mamang. Plural, amhe, amhakang, no. Again singular, mamang. Plural, no. Okay. The meaning, me and us. What is the meaning? Tapesi. Tapesi, tapesingsu, tapesung. Tapa, this is percentage, no? Okay. Muni, mang, ugganha pesi. Meaning, the monk taught me. We already write down, no? Remember? Okay. Munayo amhe ugganha pesung. Meaning us. Mang meaning me. Amhe meaning us. Amhakam meaning also us. Okay? The instrumental. By me, with me or through me. Maya me. Singular. Maya me. Plural. Amhebi, amhehi, no. Amhebi, amhehi, no. Okay, remember? Okay, send this check. Gahapati maya saddhin odanam bunji. Meaning the householder. Maya saddhi meaning. Maya saddhi meaning. Maya saddhi meaning with me. Odanam meaning the rice. Bunji meaning ate. Gahapati maya saddhin odanam bunji. The householder ate the rice with me. Okay? Plural. Gahapatayo amhebi saddhin odanam bunjing su. Okay. Meaning already write down, no? Okay. Good. This is a dative Chatuthi. Okay, now mama mayang me mamang. Amhang amhakang no. Please recite singular. Meaning plural. Meaning again singular. Plural. Okay. Check the sentence. Meaning next one. Meaning already write down, no? Okay. Next one. Meaning next one. Meaning good. Next one. Meaning next one. Meaning very good. Next one. Meaning already write down. Okay, please write down. Next one also please recite. Kavayo meaning good. Okay, next one. Ability of separation, panchamiya, from singular maya, from me. Maya meaning from me. Plural amhebi, amhehi, from us. Okay, write down. Maya meaning from me. From me. Plural from us. Okay, maya amhebi amhehi. Okay, isi maya aharang yachi, meaning isi maya aharang yachi, the hermit begged the food from me. Next one, isayo amhebi aharang yachingsu, meaning good. Other side. Can. Can. That's why we put the saddingo saha to the understand. Okay. Okay, next one. Deepi Maya Gehamha Palai. The leopard ran away from my house. Maya Gehamha, from my house. Understand? Maya meaning from my, no, from me. Is from me, no? From me. Gehamma meaning from the house. But we have the Maya Gehamma meaning we have to put one place. From my house. From my house. According to English, from me house we cannot say, no? According to English, from me house we cannot say. Huh? Huh? No, because no. This meaning also now Maya Gehamha. We have put the same vibhakti. Maya Gehamma. Mama Geham also can, but according here Maya Gehamha. The same vibhakti we use. Maya meaning from me. Geham meaning from the house. Okay? This meaning? Sorry? No, that's the from me house we cannot say English, no? There is a from my house. Because we use the same vibhakti. Maya Gehamha. Mama Gehamma we also same coming same meaning. Okay? DP plural. Loan. The first one singular. DP short. Second one DP. Oh. DP loan. Yeah, but Mama Geham also we can say like this. Same meaning. Mama Geham also. Chatti, next one chatti. Okay? චට්ටිය මම මයිහං මේ මමං මයි අම්හං අම්හාකං no අව okay මම මයිහං මේ මමං මයි අම්හං අම්හාකං no අව okay මම මයිහං මේ මමං අම්හං අම්හාකං no okay ari mama කොච්චින් පහරි අරයෝ අම්හං කුච්චි පහරින්සු okay okay ගහපති මයිහං පානිම්හා නිදින් අච්චින්දි Gahapatayo amhakang telona panihi nidayo achindung. The panimha panihi, this long, loan, pa loan. Okay. Okay. Isi girisming mi asing passi. Isi girisming amhang asi passing su. This mi we just put for understand only. Yeah? We cannot put like this always mama maihang the common words for the sentence. Okay. Only one. Giris Ming. No? Only one mountain. Okay. If you have Girisu, they have many mountains. If you have, sorry. Yes, correct. Huh? Hmm. 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 Okay. Before one, no? You mean before one? My hang from the hand. My hand. Huh? Ah, 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 ah. Yeah, Geham ha. Panchami. This one Dutiya. Dutiya. Yeah. Why complicate? Maya. No, no. Example now. The whole sentence. Please recite whole sentence. Recite whole sentence. DP Maya Gehamha Palai. We can say like this. DP Maya Gehang Palahi. Gehang Palahi. This is different meaning. This means DP the leopard ran to the home from me. This is the two house. This means the accusative. Two house. This is a Gehang. Huh? Gehe mean in the house. Gehe mean in the house. Yeah, the Gehe two meaning, no? In the plural of the accusative, also Gehe. Now example, Gehe. Usually the Ge having the neutral sound, no? Yes, Gehamma here. But if you put the accusative, Gehang, Maya Gehang, if you put the Maya Gehang, little bit different meaning. Example, nothing. The leopard ran to the home from me. DP Maya Gehang Palai. Okay? Understand? Because this sentence quite long. Isi giris ming me asing pasi. Now you see, actually the not important me. You think the maihang. Okay, you think maihang. Isi the hermit. So pasi. So which one? Asing. Asi belongs to whom? Maihang. My. Now where is he? In the mountain. Now Isi. So the Asi belongs to me, but I at the time Isi and I am staying in the mountain. When I was in the mountain, hermit saw my sword. This is the meaning. Okay, understand? Because this is a quite long sentence. You see, the Patama Vibhakti, Sattami Vibhakti, Chatti Vibhakti, Dutiya Vibhakti. 4 Vibhakti, 4 cases. These are 4 cases, huh? Okay. Next one. Isi girisming amhang asi passinsu. Isi passinsu. The hermits saw. Which one? What is? Asi. Belongs to whom Asi? Our Asi. Where? In the mountain. Okay? Okay, sadhu. Next one. Senapati mamang adipatissa maning dadi. Okay, word by word. Senapati, the general. Dadi. Dadi meaning? Gave. Which one? What is the? Gem. Now, adipatissa, to the master. But master belongs to me. To my master. Okay? Because if you go to the word by word, Senapati, the general. Mama meaning my. Adipati is to the master. Maning, the gem. Dadi gave. But after combine, the sentence become to my master. To my master. To my teacher. Okay? Same plural also. Senapatayo amhakang adipatinang mani dadung. Dadung, plural. Okay? Noted. Heaven. Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now I want to give the one example. Now the chatti, no? Chatti plural amhang, amhakang, no. No meaning our. Now every day we are reciting. What is reciting? No? Every day the puja time? No Bhante, yes, no Bhante. Adhivasetu no Bhante Paniyang pari kapitang Anukampang upadaya patigan hatu muttam. The Bhante, the Venerable or the Lord Buddha, no, our Paniyam parikapita. We already prepare well the waters. This is a water, our waters. Adivasa, please accept. Our the fruits, please accept. Our food, please accept. This is no meaning our. Okay? Adhivasetu no bhante. No meaning our. Okay? We are doing all this puja, but understand? Same way now, before I explain. Pujemi buddhang kusumena nena punyena mete nacha hotu mokkang. Puppang milayati yatha idang me. Me kayo. My body. Me kayo. Tata yati vinasa bhavang. Going to destroy. Like flower, no? Flowers go same way. Our body also. This is my body. Me meaning my. Usually we use the idam me nyati nang hotu. Me mean my. Idam mean this married. Yeah, my married. You know, this married. This married. Me nyati nang hotu. Me to the my relatives. Me nyatina. For the my relatives. Plural. Yeah. Okay. Understand? Me. Sukita hontu nyatayo. Nyatayo. You see nyatayo. Nyati nyatayo. Aggi aggayo. Patama plural. Nominative plural. Sukita hontu nyatayo. Nyatayo sukita. Become well. May become the well. Get the good life or the well. Sukita mean. But this one I haven't teach us. Sukita. Usually this one also sukita, the nyatayo sukita. Sukita sukito sukita. Sukitang sukite. This is a different way. I haven't teach, maybe later coming. Okay? But anyway, sukita also belongs to the nyatayo. The who is become well? This relatives. Don't divide my bante. Better wo bante. Our bantes. Yeah. Yeah. But don't divide my bante, no? Am bhante. Am meaning the yes. Am meaning yes. Am meaning yes. Okay? Okay. Locative. Satamiya. My amhesu. Singular my. Plural amhesu. My amhesu. Okay? My meaning on me or in me. Amhesu meaning on us or in us. At me, at us, can say? Cannot, no? Okay? My amhesu. My amhesu. Next one. Okay. Now okasa vandami bhante. Maya katang punyang anumodi tabba. This is different grammar. Because Maya katang punya. Punya means marriage. No. The marriage, the make by me, collect by me, did by me. The marriage becomes subject. Sorry, object. Sorry, subject. The marriage meaning subject. Okay. Maya katang punya. Katang punya. I already have done the marriage. Those are things. Please accept. Please anumodana. Maya katang. Okay. My amheswa. Okay. Yat thi my ati. Pati. My pati meaning okay. Next one. Yathayo amhesu pating su. Okay. Small sense for the understand only. Sometimes meaningless. Okay. Ama bhanti. Ama bhanti. No hetam bhante. No hetam bhante. No hi etam. No hetam bhante. Okay, next one. My sukhang by Bhavi. Amhesu sukhang bhavi. Okay. Others? Okay, next one. My Kuddho uppajji. The anger arose in me. This means in my heart. Okay. Amhesu kuddho upay. Kuddho attang na janati. Meaning, kuddho attang na janati. Kuddho. Some Pali poem. Kuddho attang na janati. Okay, write down sentence. Kuddho attang na janati. Kuddho attang na janati. Attang. A double T H A M dot. Attang. A double T H A M dot. Attang. M dot. M dot. Below. Na janati. Na janati. Janati. Okay, the kuddho meaning who has anger. This is a person, we call person. Kuddho meaning who has anger. This is a person. The anger. Attang meaning. Attang meaning meaning. How to say that? This means who has anger, after arouse the anger, he cannot understand anything. Na janati, he don't know. Atta meaning. After coming anger, he cannot see anything, cannot understand what is the meaning. Attang. Atta meaning. Example now, after arising my anger, I cannot see where I stay, I'm which kind of word I am using, I cannot see anything. No? That's a atta meaning. The meaning. I cannot see anything, any understanding here. Na janat meaning, I don't know. Next one, kuddho, right now, kuddho dhammang na passati. Kuddho dhammang na passati. The na passati. Kuddho dhammang na passati. Na passati. Because of anger, cannot see the Dhamma. The anger cannot see the Dhamma. This meaning, who has anger, he cannot see the Dhamma. This is the way. Attang, same. You have to understand Atta Dhamma. Kuddho attang na janati, kuddho dhammang na passati. Okay, another one. Dullabho. Okay, I write down. You can write down. Dullabho. Okay, I will do. double L A B H O. Dullabo Buddhupado. Buddhu. No, Buddhupado. D. No, hurry. Okay. The U P P. Double P. P A alone. D O. D O. Buddhupado. Buddhupado. Lokasmi. Okay. Now Dullabo meaning Dullabo Buddhupado. Buddha Upado. Upado meaning arising. Arise. Upado. The locus meaning in the world. In the world, Buddha arising. Dullabha meaning very rare. Very difficult. Very rare. Very rare. Difficult. Dullabha meaning. Very rare. Dullabha very rare. Now whole sentence. Yeah. Very rare. Okay. Understand? Yeah. Yes. Very rare. Now I want to show the locus meaning in the world. Now you see Dullabo Buddhupado. All are same vibhakti. Dullabo also like Puriso. Buddhupado also like Puriso. Now don't have verb here, no? Don't have verb. Dullabo Buddhupado Lokasmi. Don't have verb. But we have to add by ourselves. Like to be. English to be. Hoti. Dullabo Buddhupado Lokasmin Hoti. Bracket. Hoti is a bracket. Hoti means to be. Now what does it mean whole sentence? Huh? Sorry? Huh? No. Buddha Upado. Upado meaning? Yeah, this means no. That's why. But we have to add the Hoti. Buddhupado Hoti. To be. Yeah. Buddha arising in the world. Buddha is arising. The Buddha arising in the world very rare. Is very rare. Yeah. Very difficult was okay. Yeah, very rare. Yes, can. Is the to be mean is, no? To be mean is. And okay, next one. Now summary of the now already by heart. Difficult. Ahang mayang amhe mamang amhe amhakang no Maya ammebi ammehi no. Mama maihang mamang me. Amhang amhakang no. Maya amhebi ammehi. Mama maihang mamang me. Amhang amhakang no. Mai amhesu. Okay, only this sound, don't have similar sound, no? Because others, if you by heart after other stem sound, we have the similar sound, no? Similar nouns, but this is only one nouns, am. Only this we have to by heart. Ahang mayang amhe, mang mamang amha, mam mamang, amhe amha kano, maya ammebi ammehi no. Mama maya mamamme ammang amha kano. Maya ammebi ammehi. Mama maya mamamme ammang amha kano. Mai amhesu. Okay? Like mantra. Okay? Chinese. Mahayana, they do. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to tumha sound, na? Next one. Yeah. Lesson 9. Okay. This declension of personal pronouns. Second person tumha. Tumha meaning you. Tum meaning you. You, ah? Singular also you, plural also you. Okay. Patama, the nominative, singular, tuang, 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 tumhe, tuang. This is singular. Tuang. First T coming. Tuang. Yes, good. Tuang. Okay. Tumhe. Okay. M. Not M dot meaning, usually M dot we are put in the end of the sentence. This is M. Papa, Baba, M. Papa, Baba, M. Tumhe. Okay? Okay, please recite. Okay? meaning okay. If you want, please write down. Tvang munissa bhasasi. Next, Tvang yating dadasi. You give the stick. Tvang viharang gacchasi. Tvang bodhing pujesi. Like order, no? Order. Okay. Tumhe muninang bhasat. Tumhe yatayo dadath. तुम्हें विहारे गच्छत. तुम्हें बोधि पूजेत. Okay. Okay. Past tense. Twang munissa bhaso. Twang yatting dado. Twang viharang gaccho. Twang bodhing pujeso. Okay. Okay. तुम्हें मुनीनां भासित. तुम्हें याठयो दादित. तुम्हें विहारे गच्चित. तुम्हें बोधि पूजे सित. Okay. You spoke the monks, you gave the stick, you went to the monastery, you honored to poetry. Next, accusative द्वितीय तांग तावांग तुआंग तांग तावांग तुआंग तुम्हें तुम्हाकं वो तांग तावांग त्वांग तुम्हें तुम्हाकं वो Okay. Okay, now we already decided before, no? Same. Okay. Muni tawang uggan hapesi. Munayo tumhe uggan hapesung. Understand? Meaning? Okay. Next. Gahapati tawang passi. Gahapati tumhakang passing su. Okay, next one. अधिपति त्वं अक्कोसि. अधिपतयो तुम्हाकं अक्कोसुं. Okay, next one. Ablative Panchami. Panchami Karan. Tvya Taya Te. Tvya Taya Te. Tvya Taya Te. Tvya त्वया तया ते. तुम्हें भी तुम्हें ही वो. अनुग्रहं खत्वा 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 no खत्वा 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 अनुग्रहं खत्वा. Two alphabet khat one wa one khatwa. KATVA loan no khatwa. KAT khat wa khatwa khatwa khatwa. अनुग्रहं कत्वा शीलं देत मे भन्ते मे भन्ते तिसरणेन सह पंचशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुग्रहं कृत्वा शीलं देतः मे bhante. What is the meaning? Tisaranena saha pancha silang dhammang yachami. Ahang yachami. But don't have here subject. Tisaranena saha. But we usually say aham bhante, no? Bhante, the bhante. Ahang, I. Request. Panchasilang dhammang. 5 precepts dhamma. With Tisaranena saha. With the 3 triple gems. Ahang bhante Tisaranena saha. Panchasilang dhammang yachami. The Venerable, I request 5 precepts with the triple gems. Anugrahang katva. Meaning having out of compassion, having compassion, compassion. Silang, the sila, me, to me, for me, deta, give. Okay, deta me bhante. Okay, next one. Gahapati tvaya saddhing odanang bunji. The householder ate the rice with you. Gahapatayo tumhe bhi saddhing odanang bunjingsu. Okay, no. Hmm. 9 o'clock. Okay, next one. Isi taya saha giring gachi. Isi tumhehi saha girayo gachung. Okay. Next. Okay, now 9 plus now. Enough. Oh, want to continue? Finish. Okay, enough. Okay, but you check your the textbook, page number 28. Page number 28. The paragraph number 30. Adverbs of time. When are you free? Please write down. Try to practice. Kada, tada, sada, idani, ajja, suve, hiyo, yada, ekada, pacha, pura, sayang, pato, parasuve, parahiyo. Pachasve also can, parasve also can, pachasve also can. Okay? Kada, tada, sada, idani, ajja, suve, hiyo, yada, ekada, pacha, pura, sayang, pato, parasuve, parahiyo. Okay? Can, no? Okay. And page number 19. 19. Exercise 7. No, because after you read, check, then if you can translate, please translate. If difficult, please keep. Later I will explain. Try. Translate into English and translate into Pali. Try. Try. Ama bante. Okay. Don't worry, I am not going to ask one by one. Just I explain only. Okay? Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idam me punyang Nibbanassa Paccayo Hotu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.